the camera first establish the connection, what do you notice? Initially it was very slow, but now the response is faster. What do you notice when I press this side? What happened? When I press left, it's moving to the right. It's because the camera is meant to be installed like this. Hello? Can you see what I'm saying? Yes. The camera is meant to be installed like this, so that when I press right, it will actually follow what
the action, the command.
What command I gave to you. Let me put it this way. It can face me. And there is another thing. You can also zoom. Can you see?
Yes.
I can zoom the video. This is the camera itself. I can zoom the video. I can zoom out. Then I can move from camera 1 now to camera 2. Let me move to the next camera. This is the outdoor one. What do you notice here? The camera starts blinking. So after blinking now, I can expand it. So this also has its own audio system as well. Let me use the audio system. And I can also do playback as well. Don't forget that I said when you press this button, it will change from, so you start seeing. So it's because the camera starts recording. I started recording a few minutes ago. Assuming we have a longer, let me a month, although it can record up to maybe 7 or 8 days, I can play back from it. So do you guys have any question? Then if something is happening and I want also to record it on my phone from inside of the memory card there, I can also copy it directly to my phone. All I need to do is I'll just press this button and it start recording. Can you see record news? So it will start recording.
When the event that is happening, they will be recording directly.
So it's direct to my phone. I can also use it to snap it. The moment I snap like this, then if I want to now check those information that I've recorded, I will come to album. Can you see? This is the video that I recorded just now. I can see. So that's it. Then I can set it up in such a way that the moment there is somebody that passed by, I can come under installation with that. It will give me notification. But under notification settings, you must first allow permission on your phone. So after you have allowed permission on your phone, that's when you can use push button. But the advantage of push button is the moment everybody is passed, start sending notification. Do you have any question? So in the absence of